Hello and a very warm welcome to the channel. Today we're just going to walk you through the process of updating the ToLiss A320neo to the latest version. So whilst this features specifically the ToLiss A320neo, I'm pretty confident in saying that you'll be able to use the same process for major future upgrades for other ToLiss aircraft. So the first step is what I would have done in my previous career as an IT professional, and that is before you do any installation and render a previous installation inaccessible, you just want to go and grab as much configuration as you possibly can. So I'm just going to whiz through the tabs here and just document those. You can always say screenshot these in Paint or screenshot them and pop them into a Word document, whatever is accessible to you. So the reason we're doing it in that way is because ToLiss recommend doing a full installation, which involves re-downloading the product from wherever you purchase the aircraft. So next I'm going to access the folder where I've got the current A320neo installed, and all I'm going to do is just rename the aircraft files. By using the search function up here, I've identified that there are 4 in total that I just need to rename. So what's the reason for doing that? Well, it just makes sure that Explain no longer offers that aircraft as a choice in the flight configuration menu. Next, I've gone into my Explain store account and I'm just going to extract the contents of the zip file into the same folder name there. An important takeaway for you here, guys, is that I'm not actually bothered about any liveries at this stage, no X camera configuration, no sounds, etc. This is just purely just to load the base model and just get that running. So if you use X camera like I do, you'll get that message and that's expected. Just click OK there. So I'm just going to start working through these tabs. There's now an additional tab, and the first thing I'm going to change there to my preference is the interval for auto saving, so that's back to 20 minutes. So this is one addition that I'm really excited about being implemented in the other series. I know it was implemented in the 330neo, so enable ISCS in the EFB, definitely. Sync baro settings, yep. So at this stage, like I say, I'm not worried about other items, liveries, sound, X camera, etc. Let's just do a very quick takeoff and landing in the aircraft. And thank you, ToLiss, having that on the AVI tab when it looks like it was really made for it there, so I'm sure I'll be using that extensively. Thank you. So with a short test flight completed, I'm now going to go into the old installation there on the left hand side and the new installation on the right hand side, and I'm going to copy over my copy over my X camera configs there. I've got one called copy. I'll just bring them over. So copy those and replace those in the destination, and I'll copy over my liveries as well. I'm not going to replace the default livery, however, so we can just say skip to that. And then I'm just going to install my sound pack. So I can hear the difference in sound, so my sound pack is successfully installed. I've got access to my liveries and also my X camera settings. So I do hope this has been useful for you. So what I'm recommending here is a phased approach like what you do with any IT system, and then you'll be back up and running very quickly indeed and enjoying the new version. Do like, subscribe, and I'll catch you soon on a future video. Take care, bye bye.